In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept your invite and sign into QuickBooks Online. This process may seem daunting if you're new to QuickBooks, but I'll break it down into simple, easy to follow steps that will have you up and running in no time. First, you'll want to start by heading to your email inbox. Make sure you're checking the right email account where you expect to receive the invitation. If you're uncertain which email this might be, consider checking with the person who sent the invite. This is crucial because the invite you're looking for can only be accessed from the right email address. Once you're in your inbox, look for the email that contains your invitation to QuickBooks. If you have trouble finding it, try using the search function in your email service. Simply type QuickBooks Online Invitation and hit enter. This can quickly narrow down the results and help identify the email you need. After you've located the email, go ahead and open it up. Inside you'll find a link that will redirect you to QuickBooks Online. This link is essential for the next step, so once you've found it, give it a click. It will take you directly to the QuickBooks Online site where you can proceed with setting up your account. Arriving at the QuickBooks Online page, you'll be faced with the option to either sign in or create a new account. If you already have an account with QuickBooks, you can simply enter your credentials and sign in. However, for those who aren't set up yet, this is the moment to create an account. Follow the prompts that appear to enter your personal details, such as your email address and password. QuickBooks might also require some additional information to fully set up your profile. Be sure to enter accurate details, keep your password secure, and store it in a safe place so you won't have to duplicate your efforts in the future. Remember, security is paramount when handling such personal details, so it wouldn't hurt to activate two-factor authentication if it's available to enhance your account security. Once you've successfully set up your account or signed in, you'll have full access to your QuickBooks Online, allowing you to carry out your business's accounting functions efficiently. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully accepted your invite and signed into QuickBooks Online. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Thanks for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping.